Carlos's tools are just what we need to repair the engine on my blimp. Kittens, you know what to do. Bring me those tools. All right, you can take snacks with you as well, but not too much. Being a genius is hungry work.
That's strange. What are all these bags on the ground?
Chase, can you investigate and find out what these are? Let's roll! Choose a pup. Chase! This is a new stamp for the postcards.
I smell something here. I smell something here.
Well done!
Well, this is cat food. Achoo! And some cat hair. The kittens and the mayor must have passed this way.
I wonder why. Marshall, let's clean this up so the jungle looks clear. Use your water cannon to clean this mess up. Choose a... Marshall! Need water? Well done! There's more here. They lead all the way to the archaeology site. Need water? Well done! Look, Ryder, there's more here too. You know what to do, Marshall. Need water? Well done! The jungle is so clean now. Good job, Marshall.